what you hear are dogs barking and howling. And that is what was happening last night in many villages, many small lanes and streets. Candidates were sending out their people to buy votes on the eve of election day. Usually, what has been called the night that dogs bark and howl took place on the eve of the election day. But this time around, it seems that the night that dogs bark and howl came quite early, at least 2 days before election day. Reports from the provinces, especially the northeast and the north, said this morning that the dogs were barking violently in many villages because competitiveness in this election is very fierce. So we should all be concerned about the outcome of the voting this Sunday. If dogs were barking to warn us that a lot of illegal things were happening late in the night where people were sleeping, but vote canvassers and people hired by candidates were going out in the dark of the night to try to buy votes at the very last minute. Anyway, this has been a night of very dirty manipulation. Therefore, it is vital that those who are eligible to vote this Sunday must come out in full force to prove that democracy cannot be bought. But if it turns out that those with money, power, and behind-the-scenes manipulation can still win this election, then there will be a lot of questions to answer after this Sunday. Good luck at the polling booth. We all need every single honest ballot to vote for the right person to represent us in every constituency. Consult your conscience before voting. Good luck.